Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Memory Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me and my last spread in this Erin Condren for the year 2020. I am so excited to be done with this planner and to be moving on into my Crest Press inserts. I have been using Crest Press inserts before just for like free planning and not really filming those as much. I have posted a couple here on my channel, but I'm just really excited to be in my new inserts. I did start planning out the next week, the week of New Year's Eve or New Year's and New Year's Eve. And I'm so excited. I did post it on my Instagram today, which this video will be going up today, so you guys can still see that, a little sneak peek of it. I did use some underlays from Plannahannah and another Caress Press kit. But let's just talk about this kit. So this one, I absolutely loved this art and I could not wait to use this for Christmas. This is called Christmas Morning from Crest Press. I did use rose gold with this kit because I thought it would match beautifully, and I think it did. I did use just day extenders on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day because it was pretty busy those days. And then I think that is pretty much it. I used date dots, which you'll see here in a couple minutes, from Sticker Guru. A lot of the boxes are from Crest Press, or the full box overlays are from Crest Press and Scroll Prints Co. And I think that is it. Everything else I will talk about throughout the spread, I'm pretty sure. But I do want to mention, because I did mention this in my video before, that I am going to be doing a giveaway in this video. It's just going to be my leftovers of all my Christmas spreads I have done. I will show you guys like a flip through of what is left here at the end of the video. So if you guys are interested in just getting your hands on those. I know some of you guys prefer planning with just like extras because you do like minimal planning and don't need all the boxes. I will go ahead and give those away. All you have to do is just leave a comment down below with your Instagram name, and just so I can contact you through Instagram, and then just make sure you are subscribed and you are also following me on Instagram. So those are the only three things, I guess. So just leave any sort of comment, doesn't matter what it is. Your Instagram name in the comment, you're following me on Instagram, and you are subscribed. And then I will pick a winner a week from today, which is, let's see, today is the 26th. Let me grab my phone really quick. So you have until February 2nd is when I will close it, and then I will contact you through Instagram to let you know you've won, and then I'll just collect your shipping address and I will have it shipped out to you. So if you guys are interested, stick to the end of the video so you guys can see what will be in there, but it's just essentially all of my extras I've had with all these Christmas threads I've been doing this year. I will also probably include the ones that I did do in my inserts already that I don't really film. That will be some like sticker guru kits along with the letters to Apollo kits. So those won't be, I won't show you guys those at the end because I still have not posted or still have not filmed or even planned it at all, but I will go ahead and include those too. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down below and I'll be more than happy to answer those as well. And then you guys can enter as many times as you want to. So let's go ahead and get started with the day by day. First thing on Monday, which is December 21st, I started my morning with having my morning coffee. This coffee sticker is from Paper and Milk, and the morning coffee script is from Murdoch Talks. And then I also wanted to mark this day that I did 52 calls, which I think was my highest so far. I think that's why I wrote it on there because it just was a long day and I didn't even work a full shift and I still took 52 calls, which is a lot. So I marked that with a phone icon, and then I also wrapped some gifts this day. I wrapped all my gifts that day, so I used a munchkin to mark that. And then the wrapped gifts is a script from Letters to Apollo. We also watched Selena. This is my second time watching it, but my dad and sister had not seen it, so we decided to start watching it this day. I think we watched half of it that day and then the other half the second day. But it's so good. I really want to watch it again. Let me know if you guys have seen it. The Selena it's not a docu-series, I just think it's just like a series on Netflix. They are coming out with part two. I think they're filming it currently, but I'm so excited for part two to come out. And then also Monday I had all the Lululemon delivery. Um, we had like 5 or 6 packages come in. But it was so fun getting those in. I just love Lululemon Happy Meal. The Lululemon script is a custom from Adorably Amy Designs, and the delivery script is also a custom from Kizzy's Creations. And I use a Glam Planner Girl to mark that. And then underneath that, I baked some cookies. I hadn't baked cookies in a while, and I baked like the candy cane cookies, and it came out really good. I actually used my essential oils for it. I did put like peppermint essential oils, and it came out so good. So I'm gonna be making those again here, like maybe next week or this weekend. Probably not candy cane shape, but I just love the taste of like the butter cookie dough. It's my favorite. And then the baked cookie script is from SPC, which came in her advent like 3 years ago. I think it was her first advent she did. And then the sticker is from Paper and Milk, marking that I baked cookies. And then to end my night, I did do some planning time. The planning time script is from SPC along with the planner. Moving on into Tuesday, I slept in this day, and then I also washed my hair. That girl is from Fox and Pip, and then the wash hair script is from Letters to Apollo, which I do have a coupon code for. Her $2 Tuesday just came out today, and they are awesome, so make sure to check those out. I do have that code until the end of the month, so you guys can use Erica10 on everything in our shop minus the $2 Tuesdays. And then you guys can also get our PR collab freebie if you mention my name in the notes to seller. Also, this day I wanted to mark that I had tamales. My dad and a couple of my family members had made some prior to me like coming home, and so he baked them up, or not bake he cooked them, I guess. I'm not a big fan of tamales, but I was like really craving them this year, so I had a bit of them. So that I don't have any tamale stickers, so I just use a burrito sticker from Wonton and a Million. Also got some Happy Meal this day. The Happy Meal script is from Kinsey's Creations, and then I had a really bad stomach ache, was not feeling the best. So I used another custom from Kinsey's Creation to mark that, and a Modi from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then with a phone from Style Planner, I think that's what the shop's name is, I marked that I watched Chandler from Chan Plans. She was doing like an Insta Live, and it was so fun like watching that. And she was just like talking about how she's moving here to Arizona and how we're going to be like pretty close to each other. So that's really cool. So I wanted to mark that. And then on Tuesday, I marked that we finished watching the series Selena. Moving on into Wednesday, I had my morning coffee once again, and I used my favorite script from Kinsey's Creations and another paper and milk sticker. And then I I was already feeling kind of crappy, but this day was when I was like, okay, I'm pretty sick. So, of course, I'm sick every single Christmas for like the past, I want to say at least 5 years. Like I don't know why, I'm always sick on Christmas. So I use a sick script from SPC and an emoji to mark that. I also FaceTime Dean. I use a FaceTime script from SPC and a phone from Fox and Cactus. And then this day, I used a movie marquee to mark that we watched the movie Selena, which we used to watch that all the time as kids. And we hadn't seen it in forever, and so we watched it, and it was so much different than as kids. Like, I don't think I've seen it as an adult before, but I definitely prefer this series over the movie, which I never thought I would say, but I really, really enjoyed the series. And then my dad made some popcorn, and then I DoorDash some wings called, I think it was like Jolene's wings. I don't know. I've been seeing like Instagram ads on it here in Arizona, but we don't even have one here, so I don't know why I was seeing it. But when I got home, we did have it over there, so I just DoorDashed that. Then moving on into Tuesday, it was a super slow day because it was Christmas Eve. So that was the first thing I marked in the extender box. And then I also had a meeting this day. which was kind of, I mean, it's weird to have a meeting on Christmas Eve, but it was like a 5 minute meeting. It was so short. The meeting script is from Station Stickers, which you guys can use my code Erica to save on your purchase. And then I use another Wonton in a Million sticker to mark our meeting. The Christmas Eve sticker is, or script is from SPC, and that is written by Jessica from J Crew Plans, which I miss her plan with me so much. And then this day I was a little bit salty. um, it was payday, um, but there was a whole big thing with payday. So I'm not going to go into it because it is kind of like a private thing. I don't think we're supposed to talk about it, but it was not, I was not happy about it. And then I also did a grocery run this day. The grocery trip sticker is from Avenue K Design, which she's no longer open. Oh my, I'm sorry if you guys heard that. I just got an email from work. All right, I'll check that later. And then, let's see. Oh, I was also super sick this day on Christmas Eve. I just was feeling crappy and they wanted me to stay late at work, which I did for a little bit. And I was like, you know what? I can't stay anymore. So I ended up just leaving. And then I did organize my stickers this day as well. And that organized sticker script is from Kinsey's Creations. And I used a munchkin to mark that. Moving on into the 25th, which was Christmas Day, started the morning off with baking some holiday treats. I made some homemade cinnamon rolls because we did not get any, like your typical just in the can where you pop it open. So I ended up making some homemade ones, and we have cinnamon rolls every Christmas. I use a paper and milk girl or Maru to mark that. I think she's super cute. Then we also opened presents. That is from Kinsey's Creations and another paper and milk Maru. And then I marked it that it was Christmas with the Merry Christmas script from Letters to Apollo. And then I also cooked some mac and cheese because that was my side dish I was bringing to Christmas dinner. And also was super sick. I could not breathe. I was so congested. I just felt like crap. Um, I don't know what it was. It must have been like I didn't have a fever or anything like that, so I really am unsure what it was. We thought maybe it was like a mild flu, but I did not have a fever whatsoever. So I'm really not sure what was going on. Um, and then I guess I marked cook twice. Now I'm just seeing that. I don't know why I did that. Shoot. Oh well. I used a paper shower girl to mark again that I cooked, and then a cook script from Right Brain Paper Co. Also had some family time. We did go to my uncle's house, and we had such a small Christmas this year, which is so weird because we usually have it with our big extended family down in like the Monterey area, but we all had it separate this year, which kind of sucked. But I know a lot of you guys did too. And then after that, I did go to Dean's and we opened presents together, and it was so nice. Oh my gosh. So, and we just had a good talk. So, I used a Munchkin couple to mark that. And then the good talk script is from a custom from Kinsey's Creations, along with the With Dean script. And then because I was just feeling awful, I literally passed out the second I walked in that door when I went back home. So I used an exhausted script from Kinsey's Creations and a pumpkin paper co-girl to mark me passing out. Moving on into Saturday, which is the 26th, which was my dad's birthday. Um, we usually do like a big old thing for my dad's birthday because it's always the day after Christmas and everyone's in town. And we didn't really do anything, and I had to work, and my sister had to work too. So it wasn't the funnest, but I think it was, I don't know. It was fun that it was just like me and my sister and my dad, and we got to have some sushi for dinner. But I used a happy birthday script from SPC and the dad custom script from Kinsey's Creations and a Maru to mark his birthday. And then we had sushi this day. I don't remember where we got sushi. I think this was when we were getting PK, but they ended up being closed, and then we got sushi somewhere else. And I was kind of upset because PK is my favorite restaurant, my favorite sushi restaurant. But the sushi script is from Adorable Amy Designs. And then this day at work, I was on emails almost the full shift. We were so busy. We were closed on the 25th, which is the only day that we are closed out of the whole entire year. And There were so many emails. I have never seen that many emails of how many guests emailed us just in that one day on Christmas. So we are still trying to play catch up now, and it's now January 26th, so it's been over a month. Actually, it's been exactly a month now, and we are still trying to catch up. There are so many emails that need to be responded to. And then while I was at work, I was watching Friends. I just had it on in the background. I felt like rewatching the whole series, so I started with episode one. The Friends script is from Letters to Apollo, and then the Netflix girl is from Pumpkin Paper Co. It was also just so busy at work. Even the phones, like we had so many people in queue, and I have never seen it that high before. Even in our live chat, we had over 1,000 people waiting, which is crazy. So I used a Stick with the Plan code girl to mark that. I also FaceTime Dean, and then I ended up going to bed super early this day because I still was pretty sick. All right, moving on into Sunday, I had the day off, which is really nice to have the day off after such a busy day. And then I did sleep in again because I just needed my rest. I wanted to try and get better before leaving and going home and that long car ride. I hate being sick when I have to be in the car for so long. I watched more Friends this day, and then I just spent the whole day in my pajamas. I didn't even know I had the script, but it worked out perfectly. That is also from SPC, written by J. Crew Plans, and then I just organized my stickers. So that is it. That is the last spread of 2020. So crazy to think about. I will do a flip through. I didn't even think about that, but I will do a flip through here in the next couple days. Maybe it'll be up next week, but this is what it looks like in full. Again, thank you guys so much for watching all these videos for 2020. Um, yeah, I posted all of my spreads this year, which is so crazy. And I think I did it last year too. I can't remember. But here is just a flip through of all the extra stickers I have if you guys are interested. Again, I will leave everything down below too in the description bar so you guys won't forget what needs to be done to be entered. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to hit that like button. I will see you guys next time. Bye.